Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Learn. So guys, today we are going to discuss that how we can do the auto blur of your photo. So we will learn by this. So I will give the link of this app in the description. You can download from there. So we are going to start this. I have just installed this. Click on continue, then continue again. Okay, so you can see here this is trial 3 days for free. Okay, so we can use this for trial as well. So when you will click here, then we will get this. Then we will click on the plus icon. We can take photo from the camera and as well as the gallery. So I will take the photo from the gallery. So I have come here. Here are the demo photos. So I am taking the demo photo. So guys, still you do not like and subscribe my channel, first go and like and subscribe. So easily we can crop, we can blur, blocking, many things we can do. This photo cannot be uploaded. Let's we take the other. So guys, you are seeing here we have got it the photo. So easily we can do the blur. As per need, you can see here. You are seeing here the back side of the photo is going to blur. Okay guys, and if you want to change the background, so you can change the background as well as. And so many things you can do by here. You can see the background we have changed. So we can take the background, and if you want to crop, you can crop effects. This thing we can do, and when we want to save, so we can save it easily. So this is 3 days trial. Okay, you can enjoy this. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Do not forget to like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for getting new updates. Thank you for watching.